One of the gems of the Workforce Solutions building on the Stafford campus is the Fabrication and Innovation Lab, where every semester we get to visit and ask, do you have any fun new toys?
Well, some of our new toys are not as new as we would like, but we just got some of them running because they're a big deal to get set up. This was actually done on the fourth axis of a flatbed CNC we have in the back of our shop, and that's really exciting. This was really cool. This was done by one of our lab users, a retired doctor. Then he went and sanded it to make it more gorgeous, but he actually modeled this whole thing as a chess piece he's working on here in the lab. Obviously this is wood. Just a gorgeous, gorgeous piece. So we don't by any means at this point can say we're experts at it, we can train with it, but we're working on that. And we just got this toy running and we're working on it. It's really going to be fun. You can do so many things with a large scale flatbed CNC. It's kind of like a 4x8 router bed, but it's better than a router because we have some, advanced machinery in there, the CNC and all that attached to it. And then our other cool toy was our Fusion 1 from Foam Labs, and what's really neat about that is powdered laser. So it's a step below powdered metal, which we don't have, but powdered laser can get our students a little bit closer to that kind of technology, where we can actually do a powdered material, in this case nylon with glass infused, and create objects that you really couldn't easily do any other way. More precise, strong, and with round and or shapes and places and things that we just couldn't do. And so the whole lab, because of those two machines, is taking a big step up. We also have some more cool users in here. We have a retired machinist who likes to come in here a lot, so he's helping us do some things we couldn't do before. So the lab is coming back from COVID. Some new users are coming in, so we're getting some more expertise. And it's fun because of the things they can do. And then hopefully, when the engineering students get in here and they go a little beyond what I can help them with, we can have one of these retired people, which is a great use for retired people, get all that experience and expertise in here and help us do things for the engineering students and show them what to do and how to do it, or give them better ideas. They need to contact me. We are still to this day working on trying to get a web page up and running, but they can contact me, Roland Fields at roland.fields@hccs.edu, and just send me an email. We have a form we'll send you. We'll get you going, but I'm a real soft salesperson. I'm an inside sales guy. I want you to just walk in, take a look at the lab, talk to us. You can do that several times before you sign up and do anything.
For HCC Beat, this is Randall Williams.